Okay, I have another fresh trade-in to tell you about here. 2022 Honda CRV EX Hybrid. That's right, I said hybrid, so it's the top of the line CRV model. The hybrid gives you lots of features. You got a moonroof, you got alloy wheels, great fuel economy. This is in blue with gray interior. This one was very well maintained and cared for. The gentleman bought it here new, has serviced it. It's a one owner, very clean. Going to go through the certified inspection. We check it over from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Brakes, fluids, filters, tires, all the stuff is up to Honda specification. Then they back it with the 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty, good at any Honda dealership in the United States. Victory Honda of Plymouth. Make sure that you get 2 sets of keys, all your books, all your records, the Carfax report. You're going to get 6 oil changes and 6 tire rotations anytime you buy a pre-owned vehicle from us. 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Come check us out. 734-453-3600. Let me show you the inside here real quick. Again, lots of nice features. Got a power seat. You got memory seating. The inside, show you the moonroof, show you the back of the car. Only 39,000 miles on this car. So it's in great shape. One owner, Honda certified. Doesn't get any better than that. Let me just show you here, 39,682. There's the infotainment center, push button gear shifters, wood trim there around the doors and the dash. Lots of cool stuff. Give us a call today. This one could be yours. Again, Victory Honda of Plymouth. Thanks for taking a look, and we look forward to helping you out soon.